Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and noting your current VPN provider. This prevents lockouts later. Once done, export or back up the existing VPN profile so you can restore it if needed. Now open your system VPN panel. On Windows, go to Settings, right arrow Network and Internet, right arrow VPN, and on Mac OS, open System Preferences, right arrow Network, right arrow VPN. Make sure you have the new server, username, and password at hand because you will enter them in the next step. You now add or edit the connection. Click Add a VPN connection or select an existing profile and choose Edit. Be careful to pick the correct protocol, OpenVPN, ICAV2, or L2TP/ISEC, because it affects security and compatibility. Follow your provider's recommendation. Next, input the server address, your username, and password, and paste the pre-shared key or certificate details if required. Make sure to save the profile. Then test by connecting briefly to verify authentication and routing before moving on. You should now connect and verify. Click Connect, wait for successful authentication, and confirm your IP and location changed to the VPN server. Make sure DNS leak protection and kill switch settings are enabled, and adjust split tunnel preferences if you only want certain apps routed through the VPN. If the connection fails, restart the network adapter, re-enter credentials, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to isolate the problem. If issues persist, switch protocols or contact provider support while noting error messages for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.